Welcome back to OpenSCAD Simplified. Let's do something a bit more advanced than a cube. Let's say a cylinder, which is basically the second important draw primitive for 3D objects. So let's say a diameter of 20 millimeters and a height of let's say 30 millimeters. And yeah, the difference between when I use those types, the rectangular, whatever they're called in English, and not using them, is if I have 3 parameters or 2 parameters, I can just name them. If I want to use X, Y, and Z or Z, I have to use the rectangular braces. But here's a cylinder, and as you can see, it's not very round because by default it doesn't render it with much faces or many faces, to speed up processing, which is important if you have many of those or do complex math on them. But we can change that, and that's the $FN parameter, and that says how many faces around we want to have. Let's say 360, so 1 degree per face, and now it's round. Did too many, but yeah, now it's round.